Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change search engine in Edge. This is the Edge browser. I'm going to change the search engine. The current one we're using is this one. So I believe it is Google Doc. So we want to change it. So the first thing we'll do is here we click on the settings. This is for page settings, not this one. The three dots at the top here, can you see them? Open up settings and more. You can also tap Auto plus F. So you can also press the two keys, Auto and F. Then you select settings here. And then for the easiest way to do it is just in this search bar, type search engine. Search engine, that's the easiest way to do it. And then you see here it has given us 8 results. So you check through here, you see the one we're looking for, address bar and search. This is it. So click on the arrow and you can see search engine used in the address bar. So you guys can see it is DuckDuckGo, actually not Google DuckDuckGo. Now we can easily change it to Bing, Yahoo, Google, or DuckGo. DuckDuckGo. Okay, we have DuckDuckGo. So that's twice, sorry. So you can easily change it to Bing, Yahoo, Google. So that's it. You can choose whichever one you want. You click on it and that's it. That is how to change search engine in Edge. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which you put up every day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.